Did you know there's a place in Umravel where plants can read your mind and make your dreams come true? Welcome to the Longing Fields, where the flowers know exactly what you want most. When you step into these magical meadows, the plants peek into your heart. Feeling lonely? Suddenly you're surrounded by phantom friends made of vines and petals. Missing home? The ground blooms with perfect copies of your childhood bedroom, complete with flowers that smell like mom's cooking. Different wishes create different plants. Dream of love, passionate red roses burst from the earth. Want success? Trees grow fruit shaped like golden crowns and treasure chests. But beware the deeper you go. In the addiction glades, the plants become hungry for your emotions. They create bigger and better fantasies to keep you trapped forever, feeding on your desires like vampires. The most dangerous spots are the ancient nightmare gardens. Here, hundreds of years of conflicting wishes have created twisted plant monsters that satisfy nobody. Beautiful dreams have become living horrors that will haunt your sleep forever.